know these are the letters of the alphabet. The letters A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Today we will learn the long I sound. Say it with me. I. Island. Sana stepped in a boat and told the sailor to take her to the island. After sailing for so long, they found some land. This land is surrounded by water from all the sides. There are many trees and animals living here. A piece of land surrounded by water is known as island. Island. Let's read some words. Hid, hide, pip, pipe, rip, ripe, whip, wipe, fin, fine, min, mine. What do you notice in all these words? That's right. There is E at the end. When you add E at the end of words, the short E sound changes into long I. Bit will become bite. Sit, sight. Lit, light. Knit, night.
Like, share and subscribe.